Hello everyone, I am Latarani HM, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Government First Grade College, Kernagram. In this session, we discuss about the topic construction of analytic function. In the previous section also, we discussed about construction of analytic function. In the previous session, we construct analytic function by using the real part. In this session, we discuss about construction of analytic function by imaginary part. See, here construction of an analytic function when imaginary part is given. How to construct the analytic function? By using two methods. One is by the total derivative of formula, we find u and then we substitute u and v in f of z is equal to u plus iv. And one more method, that is Milne-Thomson method. Milne-Thomson method means we can put x is equal to z and y is equal to 0 in f dash z. We already discussed that. Now how to find the or how to construct the analytical function when imaginary part is given. Problem: find the analytic function whose imaginary part is e power x into x sin y plus y cos y. Answer: here given is imaginary part. Therefore consider given function as a v. v is equal to e power x into x sin y plus y cos y. Now differentiate this v with respect to x and also y partially. Differentiation v with respect to x gives vx is equal to. See here we differentiate RHS with respect to x present in both in the first function and also in the second function. Therefore we apply the product rule. E to the power of x first function into differentiation of this bracket function, that is sin y, differentiation of x is 1 plus 0 because there is no x term here, plus e to the again second function write as it is and differentiate e power x is itself e power x. And now write differentiation of v with respect to y. Vy is equal to e power x is a constant function, so take outside, remaining is x sin y plus y cos y. Now apply the differentiation for only bracket function, that is x into differentiation of sin y is a cos y plus y. Now again apply product rule for this two. Y differentiation of cos y is minus sin y plus cos y into 1. Simplify. Here f of z is in an analytic. F of z is in an analytic means f dash z exists. Hence we write the formula, that is ux plus I into vx means dou u by dou x plus I into dou v by dou x. Here what is the given part? Given part is imaginary part, that is v. Therefore x plus real part in terms of v by using what? By using CR equation. Therefore by CR equation dou u by dou x can be written as dou v by dou y. That can be expressed like that, vy. Now substitute vy value and vx value, we get like that, and simplify. Now apply Milne-Thomson method. By Milne-Thomson method, put x is equal to z and y is equal to 0 in this equation. Therefore f dash z is equal to e power z into cos 0 1 minus 0 plus cos 0 is 1 plus I into e power z. This one is also 0. This function is also 0. This term is also 0 because 0 into cos, that is 0. Hence we get f dash z is equal to 1 plus z into e power z. Now apply the integration for this term. How to apply the integration? Here we integrate by parts. Here which is the first function? First function is 1 plus z and second function is e power z. Therefore on integration we get like that. Now apply the integration. First function into integration of e power z is e power z itself minus 1 plus z differentiation. Differentiation of 1 is 0 plus differentiation of z is 1 again integration of this one is e power z itself. Again plus, what is differentiation of 1? 0. 0 into anything will be 0. Hence integration is top. Then plus integration constant c. This is the analytic function. E power z plus z e power z minus e power z is plus c. Simplify, we get z e power z plus c. Hence f of z is equal to z e power z plus c. This is the analytic function. Now we move on to the another problem. Find the analytic function f of z is equal to u plus iv given u minus v is equal to e power x cos y minus sin y in terms of z. In the previous problem, they given the imaginary part, and also in the last class we discussed about construct the analytic function. What? We construct the analytic function from the real part. In the last problem, we construct the analytic function by the imaginary part. Now see this problem. Here they given the difference of real part and imaginary part. The difference of real and imaginary part is given by using this data. By using this data, we construct f of z is equal to u plus iv, or we construct f of z value. So first write on the given function. What is the given function? U minus v is equal to e power x into cos y minus sin y. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x and also with respect to y, because we construct the analytical function means first we have to find the f dash z. What is f dash z? F dash z is nothing but dou u by dou x and plus I into dou v by dou x. Therefore we construct this with respect to x and also y, because of our finding dou u by dou x and dou v by dou x. Dou u by dou x minus differentiation v with respect to x is dou v by dou x is equal to, apply product rule. Here product rule is not necessary because this bracket function is independent of x variable. Hence this one is treated as constant. Cos y minus sin y we write as it is. Okay. Differentiation of e power x is e power x itself. Equation number 1. Now differentiate with respect to y. Here we are not apply the double differentiation because here we discuss only about analytic function, not harmonic. In harmonic only we differentiate x twice and also y twice, but in analytic function we differentiate the given function with respect to x and y in single time. Dou u by dou y minus differentiation of v with respect to y is dou v by dou y is equal to, here e power x is in a constant because of we differentiate with respect to which one? Y. Into differentiation of cos is minus sin y minus differentiation of sin y is cos y. Now by using CR equation, dou u by dou y can be written as minus dou v by dou x minus dou v by dou y is dou u by dou x is equal to e power x minus sin y minus cos y. Here LHS only changes because for the LHS we are applying CR equation. See the equation. In this equation minus is in a common. Simplify, we get like that. Now call this as the equation number 2. From equation 1 and from equation 2 we see dou u by dou x and also dou v by dou x. Now by using 1 and 2 we find dou u by dou x separately and dou v by dou x separately. Therefore we are adding, when we are adding 1 and 2 we get 2 times dou u by dou x, because here minus dou v by dou x plus dou v by dou x get cancelled, we get 2 times dou u by dou x. Similarly, we are adding the RHS. E power x is in a common function. Take outside cos y minus sin y plus sin y. So minus sin y plus sin y get cancelled, plus cos y gives 2 times cos y. That is dou u by dou x is equal to what? E power x into cos y. Similarly, find dou v by dou x. How to find dou v by dou x? By subtracting. Subtract 1 and 2 minus 2 dou v by dou x is equal to minus 2 into e power x sin y. Here dou v by dou x is equal to minus 2 get cancelled, remaining is e power x into sin y. Now we obtain dou v by dou x value and also dou u by dou x value. Now write the formula f dash z is equal to dou u by dou x plus I into dou v by dou x. Now substitute f dash z is equal to dou u by dou x is e power x cos y plus I into dou v by dou x is e power x sin y. Now e power x is in a common function, take outside, what is the remaining? Cos y plus I sin y. Now apply the Milne-Thomson method, otherwise we write directly because cos y plus I sin y represent the Euler's formula, that is e power iy. Otherwise we can directly apply the Milne-Thomson method, put x is equal to z and y is equal to 0. What we get? F dash z is equal to e power z. Here it is in the simplest form, that's why we go through the formula. That is e power x plus iy. What is x plus iy? X plus iy is z. E power z. F dash z is equal to what? F dash z is equal to e power z. Hence apply the integration. Integration of f dash z is f of z and integration of e power z is e power z itself plus integration constant. This is the analytic function. F of z is equal to e power z plus c is an analytic function. We construct the analytic function or we find the analytic function from the given u minus v is equal to e power x something. Okay. Now we go to the one more problem, that is third problem. Find the analytic function f of z. Find the analytic function f of z is equal to u plus iv. Find the analytic function f of z. Given, what is the given part here? U plus v is equal to x by x square plus y square. U plus v is equal to x by x whole divided by x square plus y square. See here, in the first problem, they are given the imaginary part. In the previous class, they given real part. By using real part, we find imaginary part and we substitute u and v in f of z. That is the one method. Another method is by using from given, what is the given? Real part is given. So we are apply the formula f dash z is equal to dou u by dou x plus I into dou v by dou x. For that we are applying the Milne-Thomson method. By using Milne-Thomson method, we construct the or we find the analytic function f of z. In this section, today, in the first problem they given imaginary part. In the second problem they given u minus v. Means the difference of real part and imaginary part are given. By using that given data, again we find f of z value. But here they given the addition of summation of real and imaginary part. This is the same as the previous problem. Now let us see the answer. Let us consider given function. What is the given function? U plus v is equal to x by x square plus y square. Then what is the next step? We apply differentiation. Differentiate partially with respect to x and also with respect to y. First we are differentiate with respect to x. Dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou x is equal to, apply quotient rule. Quotient rule is x square denominator x square plus y square whole square in the numerator, denominator into differentiation of x. Okay, differentiation of x is 1 minus numerator into differentiation of the denominator function. Differentiation of the denominator function is x square plus y square is 2x. Now simplify. X square plus y square minus 2x square, we get y square minus x square whole divided by x square plus y square whole square. Cartesian equation number 1. Now differentiate this equation u plus v. Now differentiate the partially with respect to y. We get dou u by dou y plus dou v by dou y is equal to, here x is in a constant, take outside, remaining is 1 by x square plus y square. We know that differentiation of 1 by x is what? Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. And similarly 1 by x square can be written as differentiation of 1 by x square is minus 2 divided by x cube. Similarly, we are applying the same formula minus if. Otherwise, you are applying quotient rule. By quotient rule also we get same answer. Take x outside, then remaining is 1 by denominator whole square, x square plus y square whole square, and differentiation of denominator. What is the differentiation of denominator? 2y minus 2y. So this is the answer for the dou u by dou y plus dou v by dou y is equal to this one. Now by using CR equation, dou u by dou y is a minus dou v by dou x plus dou v by dou y is a dou u by dou x is equal to minus 2xy whole divided by x square plus y square whole square. Call it as equation number 2. Observe 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we find dou u by dou x and dou v by dou x separately. So adding we get like that. Here denominator is same, so we are adding the numerator, then we get y square minus x square minus 2xy. Here 2 times dou u by dou x, shift 2 to this side. This side we get 1 by 2 times x square plus y square whole square. And subtract 1 and 2, we get 2 into dou v by dou x is equal to y square minus x square whole divided by x square plus y square whole square plus 2 into xy whole divided by x square plus y square whole square. Take the common function and simplify, we get like that. This is the dou v by dou x value and dou u by dou x is, we already see. Now write the formula. What is the formula? F dash z is equal to dou u by dou x plus I into dou v by dou x. Substitute. After substitution, we are applying the Milne-Thomson method. Put x is equal to z and y is equal to 0 for this equation. For this equation in the RHS, wherever x is there, we put x is equal to z, and in the place of y, we put y is equal to 0. Substitute. F dash z is equal to 0 minus z square minus 0 whole divided by 2z square whole square plus I into 0 minus z square plus 0 whole divided by 2 into z square whole square. Here denominator is common, otherwise z square cancel. Here also z square common. So yes, minus z square, otherwise right, take minus z square outside, and also here 2z square whole square is in a common, take common outside. The remaining is 1 plus I. 1 plus I. So here this function and this function is in a same. So take outside, remaining is 1 plus I. We are taking minus also outside, z square also outside, and 2 times z to the power of 4 is also outside. Remaining function is 1 plus I. Here z square by 2z raised to 4 can be written as minus 1 plus I whole divided by 2z square. This is the simplest form of this equation. Now apply the integration. Integrate. Integration of f dash z is f of z is equal to minus 1 plus I is in a constant divided by 2 is also constant. Take outside. Minus of 1 plus I whole divided by 2. And integration of 1 by z square. Integration of 1 by z square means we take z square numerator, shift z square to numerator. What we get? Integration of z to the power of minus 2. What is integration of x to the power of n? X to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Therefore, minus 2 plus 1 whole divided by minus 2 plus 1. That is z to the power of minus 1 divided by minus 1. That can be written as minus 1 by z plus integration constant. So this is the again simplify, because here minus get cancelled. Simplify, we get the simplest form. F of z is equal to 1 plus I divided by 2z plus c. This is the analytic function for the given data. Okay. Now these are the exercise problem. These three problems are same as, these two problems are same as the first problem, and this is in the form of third problem. So work on. Thank you.